Hey everyone, welcome back to Survival Addiction. Today we will be doing an unboxing for Monthly Knife Club for September 2021. Sorry this is a little bit late, I did get it pretty late. Okay. So this is the card. This is for Tier 2 and it's the name brand. Okay, so it's another Fox Edge. It's called the Claw. Okay, so it's ACR 13 MOV and it has black G10 composite. That doesn't really look black to me. That looks green. So I think they are wrong on that one. Okay, sorry guys, that took a second to get undone. I don't really like those packaging. They're just difficult to get things out. Okay, so my first impressions are I don't like it. The total cost of this box is $55 and they say the total value is $65, so that's only $10 more. And I don't really see a whole lot of functional uses for this. Self-defense, sure. Cutting open boxes, yeah. But other than that, I can't really do a whole lot with this. It is a folding knife and it does look pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know guys, I just don't like it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just not a huge fan. But yeah, let's at least test out. See if it's sharp. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. And like I said, it is pretty cool, but functionally, I just don't see a whole lot of uses for this. So, I'm pretty disappointed with this box. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.